Good morning. Happy Thursday. So today we're going to do our reading comprehension just like we've been doing since Monday. I think we did the cow, we did the owl, we did Wednesday, we did bugs in a jar. Well, today we're going to do the three little kittens. Like I said, don't forget to put your name. Don't forget to write your name, first and last name, so I know who the work is for when you submit it to me. So reading comprehension, remember I said reading comprehension is reading the little passage that they have, and then they'll give us questions to see if we understand what it is that we're reading. So this one is the three little kittens. I see three little kittens, period. The little kittens like to play. They like to play with the ball. Look at the kittens at the bottom. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So that is three little kittens. Let's read it again. We always start with the title. Three little kittens. I see three little kittens. The little kittens like to play. They like to play with the ball. So then off to the right, you'll see the questions. So the first question is, I see blank kittens. Is it A, 2? Is it B, 3? Or is it C, 4? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. I see three little kittens. And then in the story it tells us I see three kittens. Sorry, I couldn't underline that a little bit better. So we're going to circle 3. So the second question, the kittens like to what? A, play, B, sing, or C, run. Well, let's see what the story tells us. The little kittens like to what? Play. So that will be A, play. How do we spell play? P-L-A-Y, play. And the third question is, they like to play with what? What do they like to play with? A, the dog, B, the frog, C, the ball. They like to play with the ball. Ball. How do we spell ball? B-A-L-L. So it will be C. Great job. So that is our reading comprehension for today. Remember, we did the cow, we did the owl, we did bugs in a jar, and today is the three little kittens. Today is also the 4th day of school. Woohoo! Tomorrow is Friday. That'll be our last day for the week. So far we're off to a good start, and this is the type of reading comprehension package that you will be doing, where you'll be able to read your words. Remember, put your finger on it, under it. I see three little kittens. The little kittens like to play. They like to play with the ball. We want to read with understanding. So that's our reading passage for today. I'll be checking in with you guys later to make sure if you don't have any questions or anything, but you can always reach out to me. I'm here from 8 to 3:30. Call me anytime in between. Talk to you later.